India's first indigenous aircraft carrier will be commissioned on September 2nd, and this will mark an important milestone in India's quest to become self-reliant in defense technology. This first made in India aircraft carrier will be named Vikrant as a tribute to India's first aircraft carrier that was also named Vikrant and which was decommissioned in 1997. The Vikrant was acquired from UK in 1961. Vikrant is the largest warship to have ever been built in India and the first indigenously designed and built aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy. The indigenous content of the project is approximately 76%. With this, India will join the select club of nations such as USA, UK, Russia, China, and France that have the know-how on how to build an aircraft carrier from the scratch. India has had aircraft carriers earlier too, but those were built either by the British or the Russians. INS Vikramaditya, which was commissioned in 2013 and which is currently the Navy's only aircraft carrier, started out as the Soviet-Russian warship Admiral Gorshkov. India's two earlier carriers, INS Vikrant and INS Virat, were originally the British-built HMS Hercules and HMS Hermes. These were two warships that were commissioned into Navy in 1961 and 1987 respectively. The construction for this indigenous aircraft carrier had started in 2009. The majestic warship is 262 meters long, 62 meters wide and has a height of 59 meters. It has a top speed of around 28 knots and a cruising speed of 18 knots with an endurance of about 7,500 nautical miles. This endurance of INS Vikrant is essential for India to project its naval power in the Indian Ocean region. An aircraft carrier is one of the most potent marine assets for any nation, which enhances a navy's capability to travel far from its home shores to carry out air domination operations. An aircraft carrier generally leads as the capital ship of a carrier strike or battle group. As the aircraft carrier is a prized and sometimes vulnerable target, it is usually escorted in the group by destroyers, missile cruisers, frigates, submarines, and supply ships. INS Vikrant will be the most potent sea-based asset of Indian Navy. This carrier will be capable of operating 30 aircraft including MiG-29K fighter jets, Kamov 31 air early warning helicopters, MH-60R Seahawk multi-role helicopters as well as advanced light helicopters. This new warship will offer an incomparable military instrument with its ability to project air power over long distances including air interdiction, anti-surface warfare, offensive and defensive counter-air, airborne anti-submarine warfare and airborne early warning. The ship has around 2,200 compartments designed for a crew of around 1,600, including specialized cabins to accommodate women officers and sailors. The carrier is designed with a very high degree of automation for machinery operations, ship navigation, and survivability. The indigenously developed INS Vikrant is a carrier that is going to play a major role in ensuring peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region and in projecting Blue Water Navy of India.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.